Hello friends, welcome to my channel Techwithdeepak. Today we will review about Suzuki Katana bike. Suzuki Katana latest update. Suzuki has launched the 2022 Katana in India at 13.61 rupees lakh, ex-showroom. The neo-retro Street Fighter gets a cleaner, BS6 compliant 999 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine and a sophisticated electronics package from Suzuki that makes it extremely desirable. It comes with a 1980s Katana-inspired bodywork, but there are modern elements like an all-LED lighting system and a full LCD instrument cluster. The Suzuki Katana packs a 999 cubic centimeters inline-4 liquid-cooled motor, which churns out 152 PS and 106 Newton meters. It gets a 5-stage traction control, 3 riding modes, ride-by-wire throttle and dual-channel ABS as standard. The motorcycle uses a fully adjustable inverted front fork and a preload and rebound adjustable rear monoshock. Brakes include twin discs up front with Brembo radial calipers and a disc at the rear, with Bosch dual-channel ABS. It rivals the BMW S1000R. Suzuki Katana specifications. Displacement 999 cubic centimeters. Engine type 4-stroke, liquid-cooled, DOHC, inline-4. No of cylinders 4. Front brake disc. Rear brake disc. Fuel capacity 12L. Body type superbikes, sports bikes. Suzuki Katana features. ABS dual channel. Riding modes. Traction control. Quick shifter. LED tail light. Speedometer digital. Odometer digital. Trip meter digital. Tachometer digital. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.